If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. This quick guide shows you how to download and use m0NESY's CS2 config. First, open your browser and go to prosettings.net. We could search for m0NESY, but in this video, we'll just scroll down. He's right at the top of the player list. Find his profile and then click on his name. Then you need to look at the left menu and locate config. Hit the download button to grab his autoexec.efg file. Next, get it into CS2. Right-click CS2 in Steam, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse. Navigate to game/csgo/cfg. That's where configs live. Paste m0NESY's autoexec.cfg here. If it asks to overwrite, back up your old config first to be safe. Launch CS2, and boom! m0NESY's config is loaded. Thanks for watching.